How to find abandoned places. There's an undeniable allure to places left behind, forgotten spaces and structures that once buzzed with activity, now silent and awaiting discovery. For the curious explorer, these places whisper stories of the past, inviting us into a world that many never see. But one might wonder how to find abandoned places, those hidden gems of decay and desolation that lie off the beaten path. If the call of the unknown beckons you, you're in the right place. In this adventurer's diary, we'll explore how to unearth these hidden relics of bygone days. Understanding the appeal of abandoned exploration, the magnetic pull of exploring abandoned places lies in the unique blend of history, mystery, and adventure they offer. These spaces, once bustling hubs of life and activity, now stand in stark contrast as monuments to what once was, evoking a sense of nostalgia and wonder. For many, the appeal is rooted in the visual feast these locations provide, serving as perfect backdrops for photography that captures their haunting beauty. Others are drawn by the desire to connect with history in a tangible way, walking the same halls as those who came before, in a quest to uncover stories lost to time. Networking with fellow explorers. Networking with fellow enthusiasts of abandoned exploration is a treasure trove of untapped resources and local insights that are invaluable in this unique hobby. The power of community cannot be overstated when it comes to uncovering those elusive, forgotten places that rarely make it onto maps or guides. Engage in conversations at local urbex groups. These can often be found on social media platforms or through urbex forums. Participating in these communities online and in person through meetups offers a direct line to the most current and intriguing sites known only to a handful of people. This engagement is not just about receiving, but also about giving back. Sharing your discoveries, experiences, and tips strengthens the network and contributes to a collective pool of knowledge. Understanding legal and ethical considerations. Navigating the legal landscape is paramount when embarking on adventures to discover abandoned places. Different jurisdictions have distinct laws regarding trespassing, and ignorance is rarely accepted as a valid excuse for lawbreaking. It's crucial to thoroughly research the rules that apply to the area you plan to explore and, if the property is privately owned, make efforts to obtain explicit permission from the owner. This not only ensures your exploration is within legal bounds, but also fosters positive relationships between the urbex community and property owners. Ethically, the mantra, "Take only photos, leave only footprints," should guide every explorer. Respecting the site's integrity involves refraining from acts that could further deteriorate its condition, such as graffiti, theft, or leaving behind trash. These places often hold significant historical or sentimental value, and preserving their state allows future explorers to share in the wonder and stories they offer. Additionally, consider the potential impact of sharing information about discovered sites online. While the urge to broadcast your finds can be strong, indiscriminate sharing can lead to unwanted attention, increasing the risks of vandalism and degradation. Thoughtful consideration about how and what to share can help mitigate these risks, ensuring these captivating locations remain accessible for like-minded adventurers. Safety precautions and essential gear. When venturing into the domain of abandoned exploration, the paramount concern is always safety. The allure of these forsaken places is undeniable, but they can harbor unseen dangers that pose significant risks to the unwary adventurer. To mitigate these risks, it's essential to equip yourself with the right gear. Durable footwear is a must to navigate the often treacherous and unstable ground. Gloves protect your hands from sharp edges and hazardous materials you may encounter. Considering the possibility of airborne particles or mold, a respirator mask is a wise addition to your exploration kit. In addition to protective wear, a few essential tools can significantly enhance your safety. A reliable flashlight is indispensable for illuminating the dark recesses of abandoned buildings, where natural light rarely penetrates fully. Carrying a fully charged mobile phone ensures you have a means to call for help if the situation requires it. Similarly, a basic first aid kit allows you to address minor injuries on the spot, preventing them from becoming major concerns. Lastly, the importance of not exploring alone cannot be overstressed. Having at least one companion not only makes the experience more enjoyable, but also ensures there is someone to assist immediately should an unexpected situation arise. Safety in numbers is a principle that holds true in urban exploration, safeguarding both your physical well-being and peace of mind. Tips for documenting your discoveries. When it comes to immortalizing your adventures in forgotten places, diverse methods of documentation can capture the essence and mystery of these locales in unique ways. Beyond the lens of a camera, consider maintaining a digital or physical journal of your journeys. This can include sketches, personal reflections, stories of the day, and the emotions evoked by your surroundings. Video blogging or vlogging is another dynamic way to bring viewers along on your explorations, offering a real-time perspective of the sights and sounds that still linger in these abandoned spaces. Photography remains a powerful tool in this endeavor, enabling the preservation of these sites in their current state. When capturing images, focus on framing and composition to convey the atmosphere and mood. Experiment with different lighting conditions and perspectives to highlight the textures and details that tell the story of decay and the passage of time. Building a respectful exploration community. Cultivating a community within the realm of urban exploration hinges on a foundation of mutual respect and a collective commitment to stewardship of the sites we cherish. As explorers, our role extends beyond mere visitors. We are custodians of a rich tapestry of history and mystery, tasked with ensuring its preservation for future generations. Encouraging a culture of respect involves educating new members on the importance of adhering to legal guidelines and the ethos of leaving no trace behind. It means advocating for responsible sharing of information, where the safeguarding of a location's integrity takes precedence over the desire for social media recognition. Highlighting the significance of these abandoned spaces, not just as fascinating backdrops for exploration, but as vital links to our cultural and historical heritage, fosters a deeper appreciation and reverence.